Hello everyone, my name is Ruby Yadav and I am a legal intern at Lexis and Company. I am pursuing my LLB from Miri Professional and Law Institute, MDU, Rohtak. I am glad to get this opportunity to introduce myself and discuss my topic with all of you. So today my topic is a cyber stalking under the cyber law. As we are very familiar with the word stalking, which is illegal and which is a criminal offense as well. So today we will discuss, the sole purpose of my topic is to brief you about what is cyber stalking and what are the provisions under the IPC regarding that, how it is punishable. Stalking can be defined as a willful course of conduct involving repeated or continuing pursuing or following of another individual that actually causes the victim to feel terrorized, frightened, intimidated, threatened, harassed, or molested, and that would cause a reasonable person to feel so. Now, the web is no more and no less than a mirror of the real world, and that means it also contains electronic versions of real life problems. So stalking is a problem that many people, especially women, are familiar with in real life. These problems can occur on the internet as well, what has become known as the cyber stalking or online harassment. So if stalking is done through a web or through the computer networks, then it will be known as the cyber stalking or the online harassment. So cyber stalking involves following a person's movement across the internet by posting messages, sometimes threatening, on the bulletin boards, frequently by the victims, entering the chat room frequently frequented by the victim, constantly bombarding the victim with emails, etc. These could be the involvement of the cyber stalking. The provisions regarding the stalking is mentioned also in the Indian Penal Code 1860, which is the section 354D, and under which this offense is a criminal offense, and the person who is doing stalking for the first time, he will be punished with the 3 years of punishment with the fine. And if he is doing his second attempt or if he is stalking for the second time, then he will be punished or imprisonment for the 5 years with the fine. Now, the fact that cyber stalking does not itself involve physical contact may create the perception that it is not as serious as physical stalking. But this is not necessarily true. As the internet becomes an even more integral part of our personal and professional lives, stalkers can take advantages of the ease of communication, the net's intrusive capabilities, as well as increased access to personal information. In addition, the ease of use of non-confidential, impersonal, and sometimes anonymous nature of internet communications may remove distinctive to cyber stalking. So, this discussion made it very clear that stalking is punishable under the IPC, but it is also serious when it comes under the term of cyber stalking because it violates the personal information. So from this discussion we got to know, or we understood, that stalking is punishable under the IPC Act as well as it is punishable under the Information Technology Act. because the cyber stalking is becoming the more serious offense nowadays, as the uses of internet increasing day by day. And so we need to take care with our privacy. We need to use the data. After analyzing it, we need to not disclose our personal information with anyone, because at some of the time or some of the point it can be misused. So I know that nowadays internet is a very integral part of our livelihood, so we should also use it with a careful nature. That's it for the day, all of you. Thank you so much.